Hello everyone and welcome back to Board Mechanic channel with another video about bicycle commuting essentials. Yes, essentials. And I dedicate these essentials to our frontliners who are still in the middle of worldwide crisis. Please allow me to give you a walkthrough. Yes, I call this essentials. This is a bicycle commuter's overview on what is a just in cases that we need to carry, or we should say an everyday carry a bicycle commuter should have. Number one on my list is a saddlebag, very important for your carry-ons. The next one is the mini hand pump. Now about this everyday carry stuff, this is just my opinion. You can actually design your own after viewing this video. You can design your own everyday carry stuff or everyday carry essential when you're doing a bicycle commuting. The mighty multi-tool. If it gets darker on your daily commute, you need to see or to be seen with a headlight. A rear light to be seen. My last essential would be the belt. This is how I design my everyday carry essential inside my saddlebag. I carry a spare tube, CO2, a patch kit, a spare multi-tool, an electrical tape, and the last one is my favorite Leatherman multi-tool. Might sound like a redundancy to others, but this is how I design it. So you can design your own essentials on how you need them. Thank you for staying with me today. I will see you next time. Please ride safe, stay safe, and be safe.